I love Demi Lovato because I think she is so real and she's so genuine and she's so authentic. And I think that she's had a lot of struggles, but she doesn't shy away from them and she doesn't try and hide anything. And I think she is a great example of what it means to be a celebrity but still be an authentic person. My first memory of Demi Lovato is watching Camp Rock and being absolutely enthralled and obsessed with her. And when she sang the This Is Me song in the end and Joe Jonas was looking at her and they stopped and it was just this big moment. And ever since then I was like obsessed with her and I thought she had the best voice. I'm a terrible singer. I'm a terrible actor. But we kind of have similar features, so maybe that counts. So this first Demi is from the 2008 Camp Rock premiere. She's wearing more of a red lip, and you can't totally see it, but she has a dark turquoise eyeliner. The hair is more of a loose pulled back bun with some nice side swept bangs. I have to say I've never had bangs before, but I'm really excited to see what I'm gonna look like with them. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? No. Guys, the hair is perfect. I'm Demi. I'm 2008 Demi. Wow. This next look is from 2013 and it's from her book signing, Staying Strong 365 Days a Year. So she's definitely changing up her look here, and as we can see, I think she's evolving into the Demi that we all love and know now. I love it already. She's experimenting with her blue hair. We've got a lot more makeup. She's kind of playing with these coral tones on her eyes and on her lips and her cheeks. I think this is kind of where she's definitely coming into herself, finding her style. Yeah, okay. I'm truly scared to look. Oh my God, okay. Oh my God. Holy shit. Can I cut? The bronziness, the peachy gold, the fake lashes, the color, the hair. Demi, I'm coming for you, baby. If only I could sing. The last look we did was from late 2017. This was doing the iHeartRadio's Jingle Ball. Now this is a fun performance look. She's gonna go on stage and sing her heart out. So she has this dramatic smoky eye. We're seeing like a nice matte liquid lipstick and some heavy contour. And those lashes I am into. We have her nice colored in brows, so they're super dark. It's a really, really dramatic look, really fun. I think this is the most like Demi that we know. All right, do I take my thing off? I'm so excited. Oh! Guys, I'm wrecked. I'm wrecked. I love it. This is amazing. This hair, I'm taking this hair home with me, I think. Wow. Guys, I'm 2017 Demi Lovato. I feel like I've been on an emotional journey today because I've been 3 different Demis, all very different. But now I do feel like I'm the sassy, fun, sexy Demi. Love to my fans. Thank you so much for your support.